What's up, everyone? This is PYT number 2. It's 4 boxes of Inception, 4 boxes of Tier 1 2019 baseball. Any Mike Trout 1 of 1, we will add. We will duplicate the break. 2 teams that go hitless have a shot to get into number 3. Prism basketball is going next. It's right there. The Mavericks just came off in that. That's halfway full. Still got some good options there, KJ. You do have your Pacers. Good luck. Phil Meyer, Dewell Lugo, Benintendi, Josh James, Jake Bowers to 200 for the Rays, Mookie Betts, Gleyber Torres. Syndergaard, Rizzo, Corbin Burns, Aaron Nola, Aramis Garcia patch auto for the Giants. Number to 199. Gimme the Chris Davis and Jacob deGrom. deGrom, Wilson, Shaw, Altuve, Steven Duggar to 25 for Gimme the. Nice hit. Gold ink. Seager and a red of Javi Baez to 75. Santana, Albies, Stanton, Jake Cave, Ronald Acuna to 125 for Matthias. There you go. Nice hit for the Braves. Corbin Burns and Aaron Nola. Beautiful. Now let's go to Tier 1. Juan Gonzalez for Texas, number to 299. Albert Almora Jr. for the Cubs. Francisco Arcia for the Angels to 299. Whit Merrifield, number to 25 for the Royals to Uppin. Miggy Cabrera to 375 Tigers, and Brandon Lowe for the Rays. Jose Berrios for Minnesota. Odor for the Rangers, and Chance Adams to 250 Yankees. Last pack. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets to 100. Castellanos for the Tigers, and Brad Keller for the Royals. That is the break. Top two get into the next one. It's a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The Dodgers and the Nationals. That's Cowboys and William Freeman. That's the break. We're going on to Prism Basketball. That's next.